Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Yeah, I have come up with another scenario, and it goes like this. The management of Penguin tokens wants to create a process whereby dynamic notifications will be sent out to users, that's opportunity owners, whenever an opportunity is won. So yeah, this will be a task will be more appropriate for this, but I chose to go with custom notifications so that I can teach you guys how to create custom notifications in case you don't know how to do that. So I've splitted this video into three parts. The first part will be for us to create our custom notification, and the second, yeah, we are going to use Flow to do that. We are not writing a single line of code in this project. So the next one will be for us to leverage ChatGPT API to create dynamic content. So we are going to figure out a way to call ChatGPT API, all right, in the second part. And in the final part, we need to read the response from ChatGPT to use it to create the dynamic content in our custom notification. That's about it. Like I usually do, I will add this presentation in the description below. Okay, so let me go back to the first part, or this first part, and let's get started. So for us to do this, we have to navigate to custom notification that can be found under setup. So let's do that. Setup custom notification. Okay, click on that and click on new, and just let me name it as what? AI notification. Let's leave it that way for now. It's supported here and of course on the mobile. Let's save it. In case you don't know what custom notifications are, when custom notifications are received, you see this bell icon. It will be, yeah, you will have like a notification here that you have a message, right? Okay, so we've created a custom notification. The next thing for us is to trigger it from Flow. Okay, so let's build a flow, and our flow is going to be on opportunity, because the requirement is for all our the requirement is for our flow, our notification to be triggered whenever an opportunity is won, right? So record triggered flow should do. Let me move myself out of the way. Click on create. Yeah, opportunity. And when record is updated, should be good. Okay, so, and it should only trigger when the stage is 1, right? Stage equals close 1. Okay, yeah, only when it's updated is okay for this one. And because I know that I'm going to be calling APIs in the next parts of this project, I have to include the asynchronous part. Okay, and I guess that's all for the configuration. So next is for me to create an action, and that will be custom, right? Send custom notification, and AI notification, right? Let me name it AI. AI what? AI custom notification. That should work. So the notification type ID, we need the ID of the custom notification that we created. So we'll get that from Workbench. So let me quickly go to Workbench and log in. Am I logged on to the right org? I believe so. Let me confirm that. Yes. Okay. So query. The object is a custom notification, right? Let me carefully find it here. Custom notification type. Yes. I believe I only have one custom notification on this org, so let me just query this. And this is the ID that I need. Copy it. You can keep it static. I mean, nothing says we can make it static. So the body, for the body, let me create a resource, a test template. What should I call it? Say test template for the body. Notification underscore body, right? Let me say hello from here. Let's leave it that way. What happened? Okay, the title AI notification. Let's leave that way too. Recipient is going to be okay, record.id. Record.owner. Record is different from, it's a little bit different, right? .owner ID. ID. Oh my goodness. Record. Okay, so here is it recipients? Oh, okay, it's a recipient. So this has to be a list. So let's create a new resource and data type, variable, recipients. I can't type. Recipient and the data type is got to be text. Allow multiple yes, and that's it. Okay. Sender ID. Do I need to do that? No. Target record.id. Record.id. Yeah. That's okay for now. So for the recipient, we need to assign recipient, right? So assignment. Okay. What's that? Assign recipient and okay, so I'll say recipient dot add the owner of the opportunity. So record dot opportunity owner ID. You should take it. Yes. Okay, so from here, what else do we need to do? I think we need to save it and debug it. So run opportunity, one opportunity, something like that. Then let's save it. And let me see how many seconds. 10 minutes already. Oh dear. Okay, let me debug it now and see if it works. Oh, I don't have any opportunity here. Oh, in recent time. So let me go to opportunity and create one. Opportunity. Create new. Stage. Where the stage is. Closes on that date. Okay. Created this opportunity. So let me go back to my flow and debug again. Pick that one. The asynchronous part. It's updated from prospecting to close one. Okay, and it seems like it's working. Let me activate it and see if it works in real life. So let's pick this same opportunity and try and refresh it. Then I'll change the stage and see if the notification goes out. Close one, save. Okay, we are receiving the notification. Oh, hello from here. Okay, and this is exactly what the company does not want to be receiving. You know, we don't want to receive this static message all the time. That's why we need to leverage on generative AI to help us change the content and make it seem like it's not a machine that is sending it. Please, if you are going to implement this in your org, make sure you get approval from IT to do this. Don't do anything crazy, right? Let me go back to the text template. Notification body, retest. Let me make it plain. Remove this and remove this. Okay. I'm gonna save it and I'll test it again. So let me activate it. Go back to the flow. Let me make this the stage. Okay, now let me close it as one. Select, close one, save. I received the notification again. Okay, hello from AI. All right, so yeah, our custom notification is working. So in the next part, we're going to learn how to call OpenAI API. Okay, yeah, I thank you very much for viewing, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye.